In this video, we want to look at defining the dates based on the year, the month, and the day. So I'm using just one variable here called myDate as date. And to set myDate based on the year, month, and day, I'm just going to use the function DateSerial. And the first parameter here is going to be the year, the second is going to be the month, and the last one is going to be the day. And so here I'm setting the date normally at the 15th of January 2019. And here, as you can see, this is what I get as an outcome. So the cool thing about that is that technically I could also just add up to this. And I'm going to be able to say, oh, let's use a variable for the year, and I want to set the variable of my year as the year of the current date right now, and I'm going to replace it here directly in my DateSerial. And so now you'll be able to see 2020 appear, and that's how you could also do it and add a bit more dynamic aspect to that function here, DateSerial. So that's how you create your own date based on the year, month, and day.